Hi, this is Demystified with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over the three categories of water damage and how to dry out your home. Water damage can turn your home into a disaster zone, leading to costly repairs and health risks, whether from a leaking toilet, burst pipe, or flooding. Understanding the three categories of water damage helps you act fast. Let's break it down. Category 1, clean water, least risky but still urgent. Comes from broken pipes, overflowing sinks, or appliance leaks. No immediate contaminants but can worsen if untreated. Dry out plan. Extract water fast using pumps and wet vacuums. Use fans and dehumidifiers to lower humidity below 50%. Sanitize wet areas, especially around sinks and floors to prevent mold. Category 2, gray water. Contaminated and risky. Found in dishwasher overflows, washing machines, and backed up drains. Contains bacteria and chemicals, which can cause illness with direct contact. Dry out plan. Use industrial dehumidifiers and air movers to dry damp areas fast. Wear protective gear when cleaning to avoid exposure. Apply antimicrobial treatments on surfaces to kill bacteria. Category 3, black water. Toxic and dangerous. Comes from sewage backups, floodwaters, or river water. Contains harmful bacteria, viruses, and hazardous waste. Dry out plan. Do not attempt DIY cleanup. This requires professional restoration. Remove all contaminated materials, including drywall and flooring. Use HEPA filtration and air scrubbers to purify the air. Thorough sanitization is required to prevent long-term health risks. Best practices for any water damage situation. Act fast, monitor humidity, and check for mold growth in damp areas like bathrooms and basements and under sinks. The humidity level, checked by hydrometer, should have levels between 30 and 50%. And then, next, upgrade a water alarm system to detect future leaks early. To conclude, you should always act now to protect your home, but to make sure you're aware of the three stages or categories of water damage, please make sure you are not attempting to DIY yourself. And if you have any questions about restoration, please give us a call at PDQ Restoration.